everyone, welcome back to Bosco Campus Vision. In today's session, we'll be dealing with the topic interviews and talk shows for television. We are already familiar with radio interviews, and today we'll be speaking about interviews and talk shows for television. TV interviews can assume many forms. So, just like a radio interview, TV interviews can also take many forms. One form is a feature which aims at exploring the lives of well known individuals by asking questions that elicit opinions and responses on a variety of topics. So, the first form of interview is like a feature, and it tries to explore the lives of well known individuals. The focus of such interviews reveal as much as possible about the subject who is famous, popular, and a celebrity, by asking well thought out questions. These are normally called talk shows. They satisfy the viewer's curiosity to know more about the subject and are a popular staple in TV programming. So, for these kinds of interviews, the guest will be a famous and popular celebrity. So, naturally, it kindles curiosity in the audience to know more about the subject. And therefore, these kinds of interviews or talk shows are a popular staple in TV programming. That is, we often come across such programs in television. The other form of interviews is even more common, and they are normally incorporated into or form a part of another program like news story, chat show, documentary, profiles, etc. These are statements of opinions and reveal the perspective of an individual with regard to an issue. So, the first form of interview is a feature, and another form is when an interview is incorporated into or form a part of another program, like in a news story, chat show, documentary, profile, etc. We know that in news stories and all, interviews will be incorporated into it to give in-depth analysis of an issue. So these are statements of opinions and reveal the perspective of an individual with regard to an issue. They add credibility to the program and allow attribution. So including these kinds of interviews add to the merit of the program. It increases their credibility. Straight out of the horse's mouth is a phrase that is applicable in this context. So the interviewee will have a valid point to state that is discussed on the program, and so a phrase that is applicable in the context is straight out of the horse's mouth. They are also a means of presenting a plethora of opinions together on the same platform and satisfy the demand to present all points of view in a straightforward and efficient manner. So, in these kinds of interviews, different opinions regarding the same issue can be discussed openly in a straightforward and efficient manner. They also help to break the monotony of the program and add life to it. So, adding an interview into a news story will help to break the monotony of the program and it adds life to it. It also serves to make the program more personal. An interview is driven by the ability or skill of the interviewer, his or her understanding of the topic and background, the research, the kind of questions posed, ability to gauge the reaction of the subject, and style determine how great an interview is. So, the success of an interview program rests on the hands of the interviewer. The choice of the interviewee is important too. What the interviewee has to say, whether it is interesting, whether the interviewee has a valid or interesting point to make in case the interview forms a part of another program. The person's ability to communicate eloquently, experiences, attitudes, etc., are factors that contribute to the success of the interview. So, the choice of interviewee is important too. The subject of the interview is also important, just like an interviewer. What the interviewee has to say, the ability of the interviewee to communicate effectively to his audience, his experiences, attitudes, etc. All these factors contribute to the success of the interview. So, both the interviewer and the interviewee is equally important for a television interview program. The language that is used must be appropriate, and the tone and words are determined by the situation and the persons being interviewed. The interviewer and or scriptwriter must keep this fact in mind. While the questions are aimed at the subject, it is being asked for the benefit of the audience. So, it must be understandable to the audience. So the language or the choice of words, it must be appropriate to the situation, and the tone and the words are determined by the situation and the persons being interviewed. And what the interviewer and the scriptwriter should keep in mind is the fact that they are asking these questions on behalf of the audience, or they are asking the questions that the audience wants to know. So it must be understandable to the audience. The questions must be understandable to the audience, even though it is aimed at the subject or the interviewee. The interview is not a platform for the interviewer to show off his or her knowledge. His role is only to be a mediator between the interviewee and the audience. So he should not show off his or her knowledge through the program. The questions must be brief, clear, and incisive. Active voice and present tense are preferred. The interview must have a focus or an aim, and this helps in structuring the content. So, what is the aim of the interview, or what are the things that you need to know from the interviewee? One has to structure the content based on these questions. Some of the questions are pre-planned, but a good interviewer has the ability to seize the openings that may arise during the course of the interview and ask questions off the cuff based on leads or cues in the conversation. So there will be a script for the interview in which the most important questions are noted. But a good interviewer completely listens to his interviewee and has the ability to spontaneously ask questions based on what he has just said. And these kinds of interviews makes the program lively. Follow-up questions too cannot be pre-planned. Interviews with the rich and famous are popular, or the interviews with even ordinary persons who have achieved or done something extraordinary are also popular. Examples of such shows are Nere Chove, Katha Iduvare, Idavelayil, The Front Row with Anupama Chopra, Tere Mere Beech Mein, etc. This format has been copied from the American shows that are highly popular in the US for a long while with an added Indian touch. So the shows like The Front Row with Anupama Chopra are copied from the American shows. They are copied from the format of the American shows that are popular in the US with an added Indian touch. The difference, though, lies in the fact that while we follow the basic interview format, most shows in the US have interviews as a segment in their talk shows, with the host inviting and interviewing celebrities, writers, thinkers, politicians, etc. That's all for today's session. As assignment, construct 5 interview questions that you are likely to ask to a celebrity. Thank you and have a nice day.